Hi everyone, it's Miss Keller. I hope you're all doing well, considering everything, that you're staying safe. I know this is a weird time and everybody's probably stressed and confused, but we're gonna get through this together. And I'm here if you have questions. Miss McPhee is here if you have questions. So this is our first video for online learning, and we're gonna have a lot of fun, interesting art activities that you can do at home that will not only be a distraction from all of this, but also will get you to learn how to draw, how to see as an artist, and be really helpful and fun. So, the first thing we're going to be doing is called blind contour drawing. It's an exercise in seeing like an artist. So, it's about drawing what you see and not what you know. You know that a hand has 5 fingers, and this is drawing what you know. But we know that that's not really realistic, and there's ways of training your eye, training your brain, to see, as an artist does, and really see what shapes are in front of you and how to copy those and make them look lifelike. So the first thing we're going to do is get a piece of paper. Anything will do. A pen is preferable, but if you don't have one, a pencil's fine. But the reason I say pen is because this drawing exercise is not about drawing something that looks nice. It's about getting your eye to see things by practicing a motion. So the pen stops you from going back and erasing mistakes, because this isn't about mistakes and it's not about making a final product. The final product is going to be in your head and in your hand-eye coordination. So excuse my very bad video quality. My phone does not have a good camera, but we can see what is happening here. So I have my pen and I have my hand next to the paper. And what you see me doing is I am taking my eye and following the edge of all of the shapes of my hand very slowly. So it's as though I'm watching a tiny little ant crawl on the edge of each finger, going into all of those little dips and all the tiny shapes and curves. And I'm not looking at the paper during this. That's why it's called a blind contour drawing. I'm just looking at my hand. So I'm not looking at what I'm making on the paper. I am just looking at my subject, which is the hand that is next to the paper. And I am also, you'll notice, not picking up my pen. That's because to make a continuous line that goes together, I am just following the line where the imaginary ant might crawl along the edge. So it's an unbroken line that creates this contour. So contour means the edge of a shape, the outline. So your end result will kind of look like this, but it's not really about what this looks like, because this looks like garbage. But you'll end up with something that has evidence of realistic seeing. So you see those little bumps. There's elements of this that look more realistic than the little 5-finger hand with the little French fry fingers that I did before. So practice this. Do several contour drawings. They're fairly quick, but just take the time to follow the contour like the little ant. And you'll notice you're gonna get better at drawing if you keep doing this. So, stay safe, and I'll see you in a week.